Well, the question is why lone wolf business owners will feel strangely blocked in 2026. Well, let me ask you something most entrepreneurs won't say out loud. Well, if you are capable, if you are experienced, if you have built results before, why does collaboration suddenly feel awkward in 2026? Well, not open rejection, not obvious conflict. It's just slower replies, less enthusiasm, and people agreeing but not committing. And I know if you felt that, stay with me because this year exposes something most business owners never think about. Have you noticed that you're still bringing value to the table, but people don't lean in the way they used to be? Same idea, same intelligence, and different response. And this is another question you may want to think about it. Are you starting to feel like you need to manage how people feel around you? It's not just doing good work. And you know, if that question makes you pause, it's a good question, isn't it? So stay to the end for 3 reasons. First of all, you understand why collaboration feels heavier even when nothing is wrong. Number 2, you will see why lone wolf energy quietly loses traction in 2026. Thirdly, you recognize how peach blossom, whether you know it or not, is already influencing your business relationships. Now, I'm not here teaching you another Chinese metaphysics lessons. Just clarity you can't unsee once you feel it. Well, let me speak directly to the founders, consultants, and operators here. Well, you are not new. You have survived cycles where effort and competence were enough. But in 2026, it's different. This is a year where how people respond to you matters more than how capable you are. And this is where peach blossom quietly enters the room. So here's what really beneath the surface. 2026 is a fire horse year. Fire speeds things up as you know, but more importantly, fire exposes. It exposes presence, tone, relational friction. And peach blossom is the mechanism behind that exposure. Not romance, not popularity, but the invisible reaction people have to you before logic kicks in. Allow me to give you an example I'm sure you lived through. You talk to a potential collaborator. They like your idea. They agree that it makes sense to them. They say, yeah, we should do this. Then nothing happened. No conflict, no rejection, just drift. Well, this is not a strategy failure. And that's actually peach blossom misalignment under fire. You didn't say the wrong things. You triggered the wrong feeling. So it's where that it becomes even more uncomfortable to you. Lone wolf energy work in earlier cycles. Push harder, be sharper, carry the weight. But 5 years don't reward force. They amplify response. So in 2026, peach blossoms gets louder. People don't resist you openly. They disengage you quietly. And lone wolf types feel this because they rely on competence more than relational pull. Let me give you another seemingly familiar situation here. Your team understands the plan, deadlines are clear, roles are defined, and yet things move slower than expected. People comply, but don't fully come. If you have caught yourself thinking, why am I always the one pushing? That's peach blossom talking again, not productivity. So let me pause you here right now for a while. As you are listening, ask yourself honestly, in the last 3 months, where have people become more hesitant around you, not less? Don't explain away yet, just notice, okay? And this matters because 2026 growth doesn't come from effort alone. It comes from referral, introductions, people opening doors when you're not around. And peach blossom determines whether that happens naturally or not at all. Fire horse energy magnifies this. If peach blossom is misused, people feel pressure. If it's unconscious, people feel resistant. So think about your clients. Have you noticed some relationships feel smooth this year while others feel emotionally heavier than before? Again, it's same service, same pricings, but different energy. That peach blossom being activated by fire. So most business owners ask the wrong question as they ask, how do I persuade better? How do I sell more effectively? Maybe in 2026, you need to ask a different question. How do people feel after interacting with them? That's peach blossom. And the fire horse doesn't let you ignore it. So here's the question I want you to sit with. If collaboration feels harder in 2026, what is that reviewing about your peach blossom is being expressed, not your ability? So sit with that. Don't fix it yet, huh? Okay? So you see your action plan this week should be simple. Observe. Notice where conversations stall. Notice where people hesitate. Notice where alignment feels forced. And those moments are peach blossom signal. And 2026 is very clear with this signal. So I'm not unpacking peach blossom mechanics here yet. That's not the point of this video. To see the deeper conversations about how peach blossom shows up in business, collaboration, and leadership in 2026 are happening inside the Destiny Architect Telegram chat. If this video makes you feel seen, curious, or slightly uncomfortable, that's your cue. And join the Destiny Architect Telegram chat. That's where the real conversation